Hey guys, let me share with you a little bit my experience with this particular hybrid. It's a very popular mini Phalaenopsis hybrid called Soft Cloud. It is a multiflora and you typically find it for sale in garden centers and flower shops in a tiny little pot like that. Well, this is my old one. I've had it for a number of years. One thing I always observe with these guys when I see them in flower shops is that many of them actually have terminal spikes, a spike that arises from the actual crown of the orchid, rendering the crown incapable of producing any more leaves, pretty much destroying the crown. I was lucky enough to not have this happen for the past few years, but you can see this year mine does not look so well. It looks very dehydrated. And just to show you, I don't have root rot issues. The roots are actually pretty plump, absorbing water, but what I do have is a flower spike that managed to poke its way through the stem all the way up there. This is not a normal place for Phalaenopsis to produce flower spikes. So this guy traveled from somewhere here, probably in the stem, and what I believe is happening is that it's actually destroying the stem. Other than that, you can see the orchid passes as beautiful and healthy because it has a lot of flowers, right? Well, it's not actually beautiful and healthy. I do believe there's something going on there, and I do believe I'm gonna lose this orchid. Hence, I purchased myself another one. Now, this one does not have a terminal spike, and I can see these two spikes look pretty normal. So for now, at least, I'm not gonna have issues with it. But when I purchased this one, I did actually see a few that had terminal spikes. So my personal opinion is that this particular hybrid is prone to having terminal spikes much more than others. Can you have one without a terminal spike? Absolutely. And I do believe you can have it for many years. How many? I don't know. Maybe you'll never get a terminal spike. Maybe your orchid will forever be absolutely fine, luscious and glorious, but maybe not. So this is something I just wanted to share with you, just so you know. If you're a beginner with orchids, you know what? Maybe consider choosing another hybrid. Maybe this one, or maybe this one, or this one, or that one there, or those in the back. They're all super pretty and you can find them in flower shops as well in most places around the world. And most of the times you can find them at the same time as the Soft Cloud, which is beautiful. And if you really want to purchase it, absolutely purchase it. But just so you know, you might one day actually have a terminal spike or a spike that can actually destroy the axis. If you see it for sale with a terminal spike, consider not purchasing it and purchasing one that does not have a flower spike growing directly from the crown. And also, if you feel like you like purple Phalaenopsis more, why not consider purchasing the purple ones instead of the white ones? All right, that's it. Bye.